When a book's hinge breaks, the super will tear, and one cover will pull completely away from the text block. Repair the broken hinge by using single-stitched binder tape. You will need Demco Norbond adhesive, a paste brush, waxed paper, single-stitched binder tape, scissors, a bone folder, cheesecloth, and rubber bands. If the hinge is not fully broken, carefully cut it open and trim any excess material in the hinge and spine area. Secure all loose material in the spine and inside of the cover with Norbond. Be certain that the end sheet is securely attached to the inside of the cover. Cut the single-stitch binder tape to match the length of the text block. Brush Norbond on the shiny part of one side of the tape. Apply the tape around the edge of the text block with one tab attached to the spine and one tab attached to the front or back page of the text block. Smooth the tape with a bone folder. Blot any excess adhesive, leave the cover of the book open, and set the book aside to dry. After the first part of the repair has dried, insert a strip of wax paper between the two tabs in the spine. Place another sheet of wax paper on top of the text block. Brush Norbond onto the exposed tabs of the tape. Press the cover into position along the row of stitches. Use a bone folder to smooth one tab of the tape to the inside of the cover. Close the book and firmly run the edge of the bone folder along the outside of the spine to attach the fourth tab to the inside of the tube. Secure with the rubber bands and set the book aside to dry for 24 hours. The repaired book will have two tabs of the binder tape visible when the cover is opened and two tabs attached to the inside of the tube. Occasionally, the flyleaf will remain attached to the cover rather than the text block. When this happens, it is essential that you remove the flyleaf and set it aside before proceeding with this repair. After the hinge is repaired, you should use a piece of adhesive-backed cloth tape to reattach the flyleaf into the book.